Hello, this is Rockefeller and welcome back to my 6th devlog. In today's video I'm going to show you everything I've done in the past few days, and after I'll show you how I did it. So if I launch the game, you'll be able to see how the new menus look. The play menu has all game modes locked except for Team Deathmatch. This is because I'll come back to them, but I want to start a beta with just Team Deathmatch. If you click TDM, it has a finding game banner at the top with an elapsed time counter, and once it's found a match, it will let you join it. Another thing I've done is the loadout menu. So here you can see each player can have up to 3 loadouts, where you can choose a coloured camo, a pistol, a primary weapon, secondary weapon, grenade and melee. Every time you change it, so say I change from red to blue camo, and quit the game, which saves it, when you go back into it you can see the loadout's camo is still blue. I have also finished the animation blueprints for the characters, which you should be able to see in a second. Here you can see the animation states, from idle to crouch to walk to sprint for both rifle and pistol. That's about everything. I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you all later. At the start of day 17, I finished my player animation blueprint by adding states for sprinting for both rifle and pistol. I also started looking at how I wanted the loadout menu to look, but I didn't have much time to work on it today. And that was everything for day 17. On day 18, I worked on the loadout menu again and created scroll boxes for the different sections where the user could select an item. As the player info save file stores 3 loadouts, I can load them into the game when it launches and save it when the user quits. Here's how the finished loadout menu looks. On day 19, I wanted to make the play buttons work for each game mode. I also allowed the host of custom games to choose a game mode too. On day 20, I created a Finding Game banner to alert the user that they were searching for a game and also show the elapsed time. I tried splitting the game modes into maps, but it was a lot of work, and in the end I decided to just focus on the team deathmatch. In a single player or local multiplayer game, your game is run locally on a standalone game. Players connect input to a single computer and control everything on it directly, and everything in the game, including the actors, the world, and the user interface for each player, exists on that local machine. In a network multiplayer game, Unreal Engine uses a client-server model. One computer in the network acts as a server and hosts a session of a multiplayer game, while all other players' computers connect to the server as clients. The server then shares game state information with each connected client and provides a means for them to communicate with each other. So I want to create a client-server game with everything server-side because it makes hacking more difficult and everyone can have more fun on the game. Here's how the play menu works currently. I had to do some market research, so I played Black Squad for a bit, which is a free-to-play on Steam. Finally, on day 20, I locked the other game modes on my play menu so I can release the game sooner for testing. Thank you all for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed, and I hope to see you all in the next one.